Here's what AI has already replaced in our agencies. Here's what I think AI is probably going to replace soon in our agencies. And here's what I think AI should replace in your business. Obviously, copywriting is not dead. I mean, like, our people still do lots of copywriting, but it is supercharged with AI. You no longer even need to be a fluent English speaker. ChatGPT and the other large language models will do a great job copy editing. Just beware, AI has a certain way of writing, and you need to be a babysitter to it. Have AI do a lot of copywriting and then fix it, make it sound like a human. Inbound calls, inbound leads. We no longer have humans handling those. We get them all the time. AI, a human sounding AI, now handles all of our inbound calls. So whenever somebody calls us from one of our Google ads, we used to have one of our cold callers actually pick up the phone and talk to them. No more. Our inbound calls get answered by AI. And honestly, they do a much better job of it. They pick up the phone, they talk to them, they have no accent, they're perfectly patient, they're perfectly comprehensible, they book appointments into our calendars. Did this put anybody out of business? No. We were just able to divert our people, our staff members, to more important tasks. Instead of picking up the phone to answer people who are calling from our Google ads, now we're actually able to divert our callers to making outbound calls, which we consider a much more important task. Our cold emailing used to be done by some of our overseas assistants, our salespeople. They used to actually be writing our cold emails and be copy pasting and sending out about 20 per email account and copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Now we actually have AI sending about thousands a day. In fact, we have per business, we have 125,000 emails going out every month per business. This is all done by AI. Did this put anybody out of business, by the way? No, it didn't. We still have the same number of marketing assistants employed for us. They're just sending out a lot more emails. Here's what I expect AI to replace in the future in our agency. I don't think that I'm going to be making these videos. Actually, I might be making these videos forever. I don't think anybody can actually completely replace the founder or co-founder like my wife, Rhiannon. I don't think anybody can replace us completely, but I think we'll be supplemented by AI avatars. The people who used to be doing the acting are probably going to be instead just running the avatars and going to be behind the machine working with these avatars. Outbound phone calls, cold calls, telemarketing are soon going to be done by AI. That's not going to put our telemarketers out of a job. They're going to be running the telemarketing machines. They're going to be running the AI. They're going to be writing the scripts. They're going to be gathering the leads. They're going to be manipulating all the AI machinery. We're going to need them more than ever. They're just going to be much higher volume. What should you be replacing in your business? All of these things. If you do marketing, you should be using AI for copywriting. Content creation could be done by AI. Image generation could be done by AI. A lot of customer service, at least over the telephone, could be done by AI. If you don't know how any of this can be done, you can hire an agency like us. You'd be shocked how reasonably priced this is. What's holding you back is probably, ooh, I bet the price tag is going to be huge. No, actually AI is lowering the price. You know how much it used to cost us to write newsletters? Writing one newsletter, just the writing, not even the emailing, we used to have to charge $150 for that, just each newsletter. Now how much do we charge? Now it's dramatically lower. If the cost is holding you back, give a call to our agency, give a call to any agency like us. I think you'll be surprised how much more reasonable it is these days. Thank you to AI.